One thing I like about algebra is such puzzles, ability to solve such puzzles. That's why algebra is so much fun. Let's read the problem together and solve it. Tony is 6 years older than Bruce. Fine. This is one information. 6 years ago, he was twice as old as him. Lot of pronouns used to confuse. The first he refers to Tony, second him refers to Bruce because the order will remain the same in English. So Tony was 6, Tony is. So this is present tense. Tony is 6 years older than Bruce. 6 years ago, Tony was twice as old as Bruce. How old is each now? Present tense. What is happening in present tense? Tony is 6 years older than Bruce. So because I am a Stark fan and he saved world from Thanos and everything, even though Bruce also snapped his fingers and got hurt, I will say that let's take Tony's age as the variable X. So Tony's age now X. So if Tony's age is X, which is a variable, what is the age of Bruce now? Bruce age now would be Tony is 6 years older. So Bruce is younger. So Bruce is X minus 6. Make sense? Tony is 6 years older than Bruce. X minus 6. 6 years ago. 6 years ago. Tony's age. What was Tony's age 6 years ago? Tony's age was. Tony's current age is X. So 6 years ago, his age is X minus 6. Do not confuse this with this. This is Bruce's age now. This is Tony's age 6 years ago. Though the same expression holds. Bruce, age of Bruce 6 years ago is, this is the current age of Bruce. So X minus 6 minus 6. Okay, everything is now on the page. Did we capture everything? No. What did we not capture? This part. 6 years ago, Tony was twice as old as Bruce. 6 years ago, Tony is this, Bruce is this. So now we have a relationship between these two values, these two expressions. What is that relation given to us? That this is 2 times this. From the language, understand that Tony is older, meaning this value is bigger. So if this value is bigger, meaning if I say twice, when I multiply 2 to this, I get this, Tony's age. So the expression, the algebraic expression that I get is X minus 6. Tony's age 6 years ago is equal to twice, meaning double, meaning multiplied by 2. Multiplied with what? Age of Bruce 6 years ago. So 2 multiplied by X minus 6 minus 6. So this is the equation that we need to solve to get X, which is Tony's age now. And if we have X, we can calculate X minus 6 and we will have the age of Bruce as well now. Do not get confused with this and this. This is multiplication, straight lines, curly lines is X. Okay. What is minus 6 minus 6? To understand it, because I am solving this from first principles, minus 6 can also be written as minus 6 minus 6. So let's say this is my number line and this is minus 6 and this is minus 5, somewhere here it is 0, When I subtract something, what happens? We go in the left side, correct? So if I subtract 6 from minus 6, I will take 6 jumps to the left. Minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. Okay, so minus 6 is 2 multiplied by x minus 12, and this is x minus 6. Now multiplication has a distributive property, meaning this 2 gets multiplied to this and also to this. So I can write it as 2x, 2 multiplied by x is 2x, 2 multiplied by minus 12 is, the negative sign remains, minus 12 twos are 24. So when you multiply a positive number with a negative number, it remains negative. When you multiply a negative number with a negative number, it becomes positive. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 12 is 24. But 2 multiplied by minus 12 is minus 24. So this is on the right hand side. Here it continues to be x minus 6. Now to solve this equation in a single variable, x is that single variable, what we need to do is, generally what we do is, we take all x on one side and we take all non-x on the other side. So what can be the option? I can bring this x here. It is positive, it will become negative here. So 2x minus x, and I can take this minus 24 on the other side, so it will become positive. So 24 minus 6. 2x minus x is x. 24 minus 6 is 18. So we solved for x. Generally, people don't do it. So at this stage, we had an option to rewrite this equation as, we can swap LHS and RHS and we can say 2x minus 24 equal to x minus 6. This could have been one alternative approach, so that x, generally when solving equations, we keep the variable on the left hand side. But yeah, that is the convention. This way also we managed to solve it, but we can follow the convention. So what was x? X is Tony's age. Now, what is the age of Bruce now? 6 years older. Tony is 6 years older. So Bruce is 18 minus 6, 12. So they are young Avengers right now. They have not yet found their suit, or Bruce has not yet turned into Hulk.